Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's something a little different. We're gonna be camping in the BRZ tonight. So let's get it unpacked and we'll get things going. All right, so here's our setup tonight. Sleeping in the BRZ. I've done this a couple times. It's so much better than a tent. Basically, underneath all this is my little blow-up mattress. And then I made a little wooden bracket shelf, whatever you want to call it, that fits between the rear seat when it's down and the front seat, and that just gives me the room for my head to fit, and it's perfect. I mean, if I was any taller I probably wouldn't work, but it takes 2 seconds to set up. You're all done. You don't have to worry about your tent, nothing. So it's pretty awesome. So we're camping tonight at Rock Point. I've been coming here my whole life. It's a pretty good park. There's a bunch of cool like rock formations down here that I'll be going to, with fossils and stuff, but it's been a pretty good fishing spot down there too, so we'll see what happens. I'm an absolute goober and didn't bring a camping chair, so I'm just gonna sit on the ground just like this. So hopefully I'll be catching either a catfish or a couple bluegill, have as a nice little snack. Sunfish, bluegill, blah blah blah. I ain't no big fisherman guy, but I've done it a few times. So I'm gonna set one up with a hook and hopefully find some worms, and then I'll just use lures on my other rod while that's sitting in there. We'll see what happens. All right, so my campsite's literally right behind these trees here. And here's the beach. And most of it's covered by the tide right now, but right out there is the big rock formation with a bunch of fossils and stuff. So I'm gonna head that way and start fishing. This isn't uncommon here, but I've never seen them so small. There's tons of dead fish just dropped. It looks like dropped from birds, but I'm sure it's just from a storm. They're usually some big boys though. So there's tons of fossils all over these rocks. If you're a fossil guy, you could probably spend, I don't know, a couple days going through all this stuff. And then this spot's super cool. You can see all the lines from when the glaciers were moving across the rock. So I did the long walk over to a part that had shade. Hopefully we'll get something here. The sun is so hot right now. I don't want to be dealing with that. The bugs are freaking crazy though, man. They will not stop. It has never been this bad here. So I'm just gonna be throwing a small spoon around. Dude, these bugs are freaking unbearable. One of these, that's what's going out. This spot I'm fishing actually has a ton of little fossils around, just everywhere. All those white spots. Bro, these bugs are absolutely, like, I'm absolutely covered in them. This sucks. Couldn't even enjoy bubbly down here. It's too friggin' buggy. Ugh. Well, we're back at the site. I had to give up on fishing there for a bit. So that means bubbly time. Nice. So while it's parked here, I thought I'd take a couple pictures, and then I realized, hey, this is a good spot to take some product photos of the Morimoto 4-banger drift lights here. They sent them to me probably about a month or two ago. I did have a video made of installing them, but the files got all screwed up, so definitely be taking pictures of these guys tonight once the sun's setting and it's a little nicer than just this. But yeah, they're pretty cool. I'll show you how they light up later. They I have the floods on right now, so it should be good for lighting this whole area up if I need to. I doubt I'll need to, but the option's there because they're stupid bright. It's crazy. Well, since I got a little fire started, I figured I'd start on dinner because this part's gonna take a while. A little bit of oil. Oh, my lid. Where are ya? Oh, there we go. That's what we need right there. Toss some onions in there. Come on. And we'll just let these cook down until, you know, they're caramel or something. I was just thinking I should have got a new battery for my RC car because it's so much fun to rip around the sites like these. But, oh well. Onions are coming along. Getting kind of burnt. Not used to doing this on a open flame. That'll still be good. So our onions are looking real nice. And then our steaks are all seasoned up. Gonna pull these off, slap the steaks on, and we should be good. Here we go. Nice. Beautiful. Well, my bun got a little squished. I'm still gonna try to make it work though. I don't know how I'm gonna do this one-handed. Good stab. Yeah, baby. All right, let's see how we did. Come on. That one's a little overdone. Still good though. And what do we got working with here? Come on. I think I cooked this one longer, so probably even, yeah. Oh well, still be good. We got some mayo. Of course, you need some horseradish. Some Dijon. Then we'll throw some steak on here. And finally, our caramelized onions. I'm just gonna toss them all on there because I only got one sandwich. There we are. Oh, you can never go wrong with a steak sandwich camping, man. It's so good. Well, I'm gonna enjoy that, and then we'll hopefully catch some fish. Let's see. So it's quite a bit later now. Sun's not as hot. Hopefully the bugs aren't as bad. I did find a worm, so hopefully that will get us something. I'm just gonna go try and fish off the side of those rocks there and hope for the best. first cast and the worm's already gone. Well, I guess we're relying on the lures for now. All right, well, we got something. Hey, we finally got something. I think it's a rock bass? I don't know, I've never caught this, whatever it is. Hell yeah, though. It's too big for me to eat, so I'm gonna throw him back. See you later, buddy. All right, well, the sun's going behind a layer of smoke, so I guess I'll head back up the stairs and get a fire going, take some pictures of those lights. I just got the one fish, unfortunately. I believe there's a rock bass or a white bass or something, I don't know. I normally just catch largies and smallies, but at least I got something. It's better than it usually is, so I'll take it. It's just too big for a little snack. There we go. All right, we're all set for bed here. I've got a little fan that just plugs into my jump box, USB thing. It was great. I've used it a couple times. Yeah. It's not too hot or anything tonight, so yeah, should be good. See you in the morning. Oh, good morning. I don't want to get up. It was good sleep, though. Yeah. Not a bad view to wake up to. It'd be cooler on like the side of a mountain or something, but you know, I'll take it. Oh, yeah. All right, guys, well, I'm just gonna finish packing up the rest of my stuff and head out of here. Hope you enjoyed watching. It's pretty fun to make. I hope it was a cohesive video. It's been forever since I've done anything close to something like this. So yeah, until next time, thanks for watching. See you later.